Morning or night? What's the most important time to brush your teeth? Hello friends! Before you start watching our videos, don't forget to subscribe to us and press the bell icon beside the subscription button to get notified every time on YouTube. We have always been advised by our dentists to brush our teeth twice a day, right after we get up and right before we sleep. But how many of us actually follow it? Not many. Though all of us brush our teeth in the morning, but the rule of brushing at night we conveniently skip because it isn't considered sacrosanct, unlike brushing in the morning. If you are nodding your head in guilt, this video is for you. The bacteria that reside in your mouth feast upon the food that you eat. These bacteria later excrete waste material, which is highly acidic and can break the tooth enamel, leading to cavities and tooth decay. When you sleep without brushing, the plaque starts to calcify and harden your teeth. And it gets worse with time because the calcified plaque is impossible to remove with brush or floss. The plaque buildup can lead to bad breath, gum infection, gum bleeding, and swollen gums. Why brushing at night is more important: if you do not brush your teeth before sleeping, you allow the plaque to grow and mature undisturbed overnight, which can even lead to colonization of the acid-producing bacteria. Brushing before bed does these 3 good things. Number 1. Reduces acid buildup. Your mouth is constantly building acid. The saliva in the mouth neutralizes the acid with the calcium present in it. But during nighttime, since the saliva production is low, the acids get accumulated. By brushing your teeth at night, you ensure that saliva secretion does not fall by the fluoride present in the toothpaste. This prevents your teeth from getting corroded. Number 2. Reduces bacterial multiplication. The saliva reduces the bacteria from multiplying. Thus, keeping your saliva secretion maintained by brushing before bed is very important. Number 3. Reduces food particles decay. The tiny food particles get stuck in your mouth raw overnight. It is best to hit the bed with a clean mouth to prevent decayed food particles playing foul in your mouth. And if you liked our videos, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up.